In this video, I'll show you how to sell your online course on Gumroad, even if you're a complete beginner. It's easier than you might think once you know the right steps. Start by logging into your Gumroad account. Once you're on the dashboard, look to the left and click on Products. This is where all your items will be listed. Then click New Product to begin creating your course. When asked to choose a product type, select Course or Tutorial. This helps Gumroad optimize your setup for educational content. Now, give your course a strong descriptive name, something that instantly tells potential students what they'll gain. After that, choose your currency and set your price. Think about what your course offers and price it competitively for your audience. Next comes customization. Write a clear and engaging course description that highlights what students will learn and how it will help them. Then upload visuals. Your course cover and thumbnail should look professional and reflect the course's theme. Visuals are the first thing buyers notice, so make them count. Add a short summary that sparks curiosity and encourages people to enroll. If you have details like course length, modules, or prerequisites, include them using the details section. Once you've filled everything in, click Save and Continue. Now upload your course content. This could be video lessons, PDFs, or any digital material your students will receive. Double check everything to make sure it looks great. Then hit Publish. And that's it. Your online course is now live on Gumroad and ready to reach students across the world. Keep refining your visuals, description, and pricing to maximize your sales. You are officially a Gumroad course creator. Congratulations!